Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up and create discount codes in Shopify, even if you've never done it before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to build custom discounts for your store so you can incentivize your customers, boost sales, and keep your shoppers happy. Let's dive right in and get you set up. We'll begin inside your Shopify dashboard. To create a new discount code, you'll want to look for the section labeled Discounts. It's usually found in the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click Discounts. Now, at the top right corner, you'll see a button that says Create Discount. Click on that and Shopify will open up a new page with several discount options. From here, select Amount Off Order. This setting means the discount will apply to the entire order, not just certain products or categories. Right after that, choose Discount Code. This is the option that lets customers enter a specific code at checkout to redeem the discount. It's a great way to promote special events or reward loyal customers. Next, you'll need to create your actual discount code. Type in the code you'd like your customers to use. For this example, I'll type Demo50, but feel free to choose anything like Welcome 10 if you're offering a 10% discount to new customers. The code is case insensitive, but pick something easy to remember so your customers won't get confused. After naming your code, let's set the discount value itself. Since I'm demoing with a 50% off offer, I'll make sure to choose percentage in the drop-down and then type in 50. If you prefer a fixed amount instead of a percentage, like 100 pesos off, you'd select fixed amount instead. For many shops, percentages feel more flexible and attractive, but go with whatever fits your promotion. At this stage, eligibility becomes important. By default, discounts are available on all sales channels, so your online store, social media integrations, and anywhere else you sell. You can also restrict the offer to all customers, a specific customer segment, or even particular individuals. For beginners, I'd recommend all customers, so anyone shopping can benefit. But if you run a loyalty program, or you want to reward just your email subscribers, choose a more targeted option. Next, decide if you want to set any minimum purchase requirements. Are you offering this discount on any order or only when someone spends a certain amount? If you want to encourage bigger orders, you can set a minimum purchase amount. For example, only orders above fee 500 qualify. You could also require people to buy a minimum quantity of items. If you don't need any restrictions, simply choose No Minimum Requirements. Remember, these settings are useful for controlling your margins and encouraging upsells. You can also set limits on how often your discount can be used. For example, you might allow only 100 uses in total, store-wide, or make it usable just once per customer. This is helpful if you're running an exclusive campaign or testing out new offers. Combination options are next. Decide whether your discount can be stacked with other offers, like product or shipping discounts. I'd suggest only enabling combinations if you want customers to save in multiple ways. Otherwise, keep it simple to avoid confusion. To set active dates, enter when your discount will start and, if needed, when it should end. Let's put our start date as October 21st, 2025, and a start time of 9:23 p.m. PST. Setting an end date is totally optional, but it's a great way to build urgency. For instance, a weekend flash sale. Once you've reviewed all your settings and you're happy with the criteria, click Save. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a summary of all the options you've chosen, which is great for double-checking before you go live. And that's it. You've successfully created a discount code in Shopify. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below, and I'll do my best to help out. Don't forget to like the video if this tutorial saved you time, and subscribe for more tips on running and growing your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!